Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how you can use Mocha to remove any objects. So let's jump in. So this clip I'll be using for that demo. So let's apply Mocha to this clip. So go to Effects and select Voice Effects Mocha and apply Mocha AE. And now click on Mocha logo to launch Mocha. And here use spline tool and draw the shape. And right click to close the shape, and now I can just make the edges slightly smooth. And now remove skew from this tracking motion option because we need just translation, scale and maybe rotation as well. Now click on show surface tracking data. Now let's track. So click on this forward icon to track. Let's save, go to file and save project and close this. Now here nothing has happened because we have not imported the tracking data. So go to this tracking data and click on create track data and select the layer and hit OK. Now you can see the 4 points here. Tracking is done. Let's go to matte and see. This is our matte, the shape we had drawn. Let's click on create AE mask, so it will create mask in this area. Now you can see the shape. And select your layer again and hit M for mask and invert it. So we'll have a hole there. So this area has been tracked, as you can see. Now we need to fill this area. For that we'll use content aware fill. So select layer and go to this content aware fill here. So now leave this option to 10 and fill method to object and entire duration and click on generate fill layer. It has started to analyze, you can see. And now it's rendering, so creating the patch here, as you can see here. The hole is being filled now. And now this is done. So now see our car is gone. Let's play. So I can see our car is gone from this scene. Now I'll show you the actual clip. So this was our original clip, and below that if you have this fill layer, as you can see. I hope you find it useful. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.